When it comes to perfectly cooked hot dogs, a reliable hot dog roller cooker is essential. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 best hot dog roller cookers available today. These innovative appliances not only ensure even cooking but also add a delightful twist to your hot dog preparation. Number 1. Olde Midway Electric Hot Dog Roller Grill. Bring the nostalgia of a summer fair into your own backyard party with the Olde Midway Electric 18 Hot Dog 7 Roller Grill, available through Amazon. This compact, stainless steel grill has the ability to cook up to 18 hot dogs at a time, offering dual temperature control for simultaneous warming and cooking. Its convenient design allows for easy transport and a hassle-free barbecue experience with family and friends. The Olde Midway Electric 18 Hot Dog 7 Roller Grill makes it simple to serve delicious, evenly cooked hot dogs for a crowd. The non-stick rollers allow for easy cleanup, while the dual temperature control enables both cooking and warming at the same time. Weighing only 28 pounds, this roller grill is easy to move around and features non-skid rubber feet to keep it safe and secure. The removable drip tray is another plus, catching grease for cleaner operation. Pros: compact design, non-stick rollers, dual temperature control. Cons: no sneeze guard or hood. Number 2. Trevitt Hot Dog Roller Grill. Meet the Trevitt Hot Dog Roller, a sausage grill cooker machine designed to make your hot dog cooking experience a breeze. Ideal for large gatherings or events, this cooker allows you to effortlessly prepare and maintain the warmth of your hot dogs with ease. The Trevitt Hot Dog Roller's non-stick rollers make it a breeze to cook up to 6 sausages at once. Its dual temperature control feature ensures perfectly cooked hot dogs every time. We also found that the removable drip tray made cleaning a breeze. The high-quality stainless steel construction promised durability, while the cooker's dimensions, 8.5 inches x 17.5 inches x 7.5 inches, make it easy to store when not in use. The swing hood is another added bonus that makes it convenient to access the grill while offering protection when needed. For events that last long hours, the low heat setting prevents overcooking and burning, ensuring that your guests can enjoy warm and delicious hot dogs throughout the day. Pros: easy heat control, removable drip tray, simple to use and clean. Cons: cheap-looking appearance. Number 3. The Candery Hot Dog Roller. If you're looking to make perfectly grilled hot dogs with ease, the Candery Hot Dog Roller might be the solution for you. As a reliable and well-built sausage grill cooker machine, this commercial-grade hot dog roller is designed to deliver savory results. A major highlight of the Candery Hot Dog Roller is the 4 thick and large stainless steel rollers with a non-stick coating. These rollers ensure even grilling of up to 6 regular-sized hot dogs without the typical hassle. The high-temperature operation shortens the cooking time, while the removable, safe-to-touch cover not only provides protection but also serves as a sneeze guard, a feature not commonly seen in similar products. We were impressed with the performance of the removable drip tray, as it stands out among other products we've tested. It collects grease effectively with a safe-to-touch coating, making it easy to handle and clean. Pros: commercial-grade stainless steel, removable protective cover, non-skid rubber feet. Cons: no dual temperature control. Number 4. Nostalgia Original Hot Dog Roller. Introducing the Nostalgia Original HDR 8RR Countertop Hot Dog Roller and Amp Bun Warmer, a retro-themed, convenient, and stylish addition to your party scene that wows your guests while satisfying their taste buds. This nostalgia-evoking hot dog machine has a beautiful retro-themed design that stands out and can complement any party decor. The countertop model is convenient to place anywhere, adding a touch of charm to the setup. What sets this product apart from others is its dual functionality. It can heat both sausages and buns simultaneously. The canopy holds up to 6 buns and warms them as your sausages cook, streamlining your food preparation process. Its easy assembly is another attribute that adds to its user-friendliness. Pros: eye-catching retro design, convenient countertop placement, easy assembly. Cons: longer cooking time. Number 5. Elite Gourmet Hot Dog Roller. The Elite Gourmet Hot Dog Roller, Elite Cuisine EHD 051B, is an affordable and compact hot dog cooker designed to comfortably fit into any kitchen. It efficiently combines a hot dog roller and a hot dog bun warmer in a single unit, making it perfect for serving your favorite snack with ease. In this review, we will discuss the merits and demerits of this hot dog roller and see why it might be a good fit for you. We appreciated the Elite Gourmet Hot Dog Roller for its affordable price and compact design. Its dual functionality saves both space and energy while providing consistent results. The cooker has 5 stainless steel rollers with the capacity to cook 4 hot dogs and a baking tray to warm the buns simultaneously. The 2 stainless steel picks ensure the bread is warmed at the right temperature. Another great feature is the easy cleanup. The appliance's water tank, rollers, and baking tray come with a non-stick coating, allowing for hassle-free cleaning. Additionally, the 2 indicator lights on top of the power button automatically shut off once cooking is complete, ensuring both rollers and bun warmer functions are safe and reliable. Pros: compact, space-saving design, dual functionality, easy and safe operation. Cons: slow cooking time,